August 30th, 2016. This is the postcard I used for the source of inspiration. This I'm certain this has to be pre-World War II vintage. It says, for correspondence, address only, in tiny type there, postcard. I don't remember where and when I got this. It might have been sent by friend Matt from Scotland, who lives in Warsaw. So it's probably a British postcard, unless I bought it in a charity thrift, which is entirely possible. But there's the cow. I didn't include the now long deceased farmer there. Here's my drawing of the cow. And I'm just going to do a quick overview of the drawing sections here. And excuse the reflective light from outside that's on the plexiglass here. Try to hold this at an angle to minimize it. The cow here. Seagulls and sheep from a hike along the coast north of Newborough, Scotland on March 15th, 2015. Cliff-like rock formations there. We have a rooster here. Some plants and birds were drawn on a hike I did in the Commonwealth Basin of the Cascade Mountains east of Seattle in 2009. Here, which got artified after I collaged the drawing sections on. I added color and went over them with ink. From that same trip there, snow-covered mountain peaks in the Cascades. My drawing of an orgfish. Two people seated on a dock at Seattle's popular Green Lake Park. A drafting implement of my mother's, which dates at least to late 1930s, if not older. She used it when she worked as a draftsperson at Todd Shipyards in New York. Vittorio Emanuele III, the former King of Italy, making a surprise guest appearance here. This drawing of these kind of rocky-looking formations was drawn outside the Big Four ice caves, also in the Cascade Mountains east of Seattle, on a hiking trip, I think, in around 2001. Hang on, it might be a little bumpy here for a moment. So the sky ends there, and then I've got the, this is where his backpack and rump are in the photo. So the rock formation kind of continues along here. This rock, by the way, from Europe, from Croatia. I brought back, it reminded me of the cliffs where I spent 2 weeks. It was in Montenegro back in late summer 1985, right shortly before I returned to Poland. And then in lieu of the ground that we see here in the photo, underneath his feet, looks like several thousand feet below, I have just sky going all the way around. there you have it. Thank you for watching. Whoever watches, grazie.